What's up, YouTube world? This is J back with another episode of White Boy Hip Hop Head Reacts. On today's episode, I have Jethro Tull, and his song Locomotive Breath. This song was requested by Miracle Herb. Thank you for the request. You know I always appreciate them. I hope everybody's enjoying their day. I got the lyrics here. WWE pay-per-view is tonight as I record this, but by the time this is uploaded, it'll have been, I don't know, days over. But I'm looking forward to it nonetheless. It should be a good one. Stone Cold Steve Austin shirt. Yeah, I cleaned out my closet and I found this gem of a shirt. This is probably my second favorite Stone Cold Steve Austin shirt. I just love the little skulls and the 316 and the gold neck. Like, it's just a badass shirt, dude. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. This would probably be my second, maybe third behind the King of Attitude one that I have. But this is not a video about my Stone Cold Steve Austin t-shirt collection. This is a video about Jethro Tull and his song Locomotive Breath. So Miracle Herb, I apologize. Let's just get into it and have a good time. Seems really quiet. YouTube's up all the way. I don't want to turn it up too loud in my ears. I'm just gonna turn it up, Miracle Herb. I feel like this video, for some reason, is super quiet. So, alright. Unless if it gets louder, then I'll have to turn it down.
Shuffling madness of the locomotive breath runs the all-time loser headlong to his death. Oh, it feels the piston scraping, steam breaking on his brow. Old Charlie stole the handle and the train it won't stop. Oh, no, it would slow down. Oh, he sees his children jumping off the stations one by one. His woman and his best friend in bed and having fun. Oh, he's calling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Old Charlie stole the handle and the train it won't stop going. No, it would slow down.
Does it right there. Is he talking about a drunk train driver? In the shuffling madness of the locomotive breath runs the all-time loser headlong to his death. Oh, he feels the piston scraping, steam breaking on his brow. Old Charlie stole the handle and the train, it won't stop going. No way to slow down. You know, this kind of reminds me of the Hey Arnold episode where there was the legend of the ghost train conductor that would take you to heck. And so, you know, they go onto this train, and it's the whole thing. I love Hey Arnold, but that's what this song reminds me of right now. At the end of the episode, the ghost train conductor really shows up, and he just rides on the front of the train like, woo, you know, all wild. That's what this song reminds me of. He sees his children jumping off at the stations one by one, his woman and his best friend in bed and having fun. Oh, he's getting cheated on. Oh, shit. Oh, he's crawling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Old Charlie stole the handle and the train and won't stop going. No way to slow down. Oh, did he cut the brakes on the train? I don't know.
The silence howling catches angels as they fall, and the all-time winner has got him by the balls. Oh, he picks up Gideon's Bible, open at page 1. I thank God he stole the handle, and the train it won't stop. Oh, no, it could slow down. No way to 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 slow
down. I don't know what this song's about, Miracle Herb. Feel like he's a drunk train conductor about to kill himself. Just drive the train right off the tracks. He hears the silence howling, catches angels as they fall, and the all-time winner has got him by the balls. Oh, he picks up Gideon's Bible, open at page 1. I thank God he stole the handle and the train. It won't stop going. No way to slow down. There's no way to slow down. 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 You know, I have no idea what this song's talking about, and it's off an album apparently called Aqualung, which is a frickin' weird name for an album. So of course a weird song would be on it. And then of course there's a song on that album called Lick Your Fingers Clean, and God knows what that's about. Sounds sexual. Anyways, I did like the music of this song. The music of this song was not bad. I like the drums. Sorry, and the guitar riffs, I should say. And I like that piano in the beginning. So yeah, the music and the beat was pretty good. Yeah, not too shabby. I still don't know what he's talking about. I still feel like he's a drunk train conductor. So yeah, I don't know. On a scale of 1 to 10, Miracle Herb, I want to give this one a. I want to give it a 7. You know, I really enjoyed the music, and you know the lyrics weren't bad. So like if I just heard this out and about somewhere, like grocery shopping or something, I'd be like, oh, okay, let's pick up some orange juice to this shit, you know? All right. Okay, let me grab some yogurt over here to this song, you know? It wouldn't be too bad. I wouldn't be depressed, is what I'm trying to get at. And that's how I typically try to grade all these songs, is how mad or sad would I get if I heard this out and about in a public place. You know? So yeah, that sounds bad. How I would, you know, how mad or sad. You know what I mean? Like usually, because it's like, you know, a one-time reaction to a song, I could only get into it so much, you know. So it's like, if you know, I always say if this just popped on somewhere outside, I'd be like, oh, I heard this song before. Yeah, it's not too bad. No, that's how I grade them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Click like, subscribe, Miracle Herb. I already know you're subscribed. Everybody else, follow Miracle Herb's lead and also subscribe and leave a like and a comment below. And until next time, folks, peace.